How to private your Twitter account. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily private your Twitter account. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So open your Twitter app. Then here tap on your profile picture in the top left corner. Now here scroll down and tap on settings and support. In settings and support, tap on settings and privacy. Then here tap on privacy and safety, and here tap on audience and tagging. Now here you have to turn this on. You have to turn on protect your tweets. When you turn this on, only current followers and people you approve in the future will be able to see your tweets. So turn it on. Now if you go to your profile, here you will see a lock. Here you will see a lock. That means your Twitter is now private. So this is how you can private your Twitter account. Thanks for watching.